Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the BuilderAll team. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to configure the social bar element inside Cheetah. So here at the very top, let's go to Add, select Elements, and then let's scroll down to Social Bars. Now there's one option here, so let's take it and drag and drop it right into our panel. Now if you right click on your social bar, you have a couple menus here. You have a menu up at the very top, and you also have everything that is related to your social bar. So let's start with general settings. Now each one of these icons will take you to a different link. So the option here is, do you want each one of those icons, once they're clicked on, do you want it to open up in a new tab? So let's go ahead and select that we do. You can also change the orientation of your social bar. And here you can choose which ones you want to display. So if we wanted to remove Facebook, you would just have to uncheck it, and there you go. Now, because we've selected Facebook, here is where you'll go in and add your link. Now if you have a different Facebook icon, you can upload it here. And the same thing goes for the other icons. You can go in and adjust the size. You can also give your social bar a border. Now, let's go back up here. Let's save this. And let's take a look how it looks, just as it is. Now as I scroll down, I lose the social bar. Now there's a new option in Cheetah where it will scroll along with you. So let's go back inside the editor. First, let's go back and make sure that we can right click on the social bar here. Let's change the orientation. Let's go to Add, select Elements, and let's go down and add a box. Now one thing that's unique about a box is that it comes with a new pin feature. And I'm going to show you how that works. First, let's right click on the box. Let's go to General Colors. And let's click on the color. And let's make this transparent. I could have also gone in and chose a box with transparency right in the middle. So again, let's go in and adjust this. And we know what happens when you take an element and put it inside the box, right? It now becomes kind of part of one here, where I can go in and move this. And now once that's set, again, if I click on my social bar, if I right click there, the properties come back up. And now here's the outer box, so I'm going to right click on that outer box, and different menu options come up on top as well. So here's where you select the pin icon. Now what this is going to do, it's going to allow you to stick it anywhere you want. So for this example, let's go ahead and select right here, and there you go. Let's go to Save, select That's Fine, go to Website, and here you go. Let's refresh the page, and as I scroll down, it scrolls down with me. And that's how you configure the social bar element inside Cheetah. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the BuilderAll team.